What's doing? New product alert. That's right. BT50 DMAX 4JJ3 auto or manual 3-inch turbo back exhaust with res or straight through, available in stock. I've got 10 of them sitting here ready to go. So here's one now. You can see what it sounds like. This one's a 3-inch turbo back with resonator and a hard cut. So, yep, they're in stock. I'll throw up a dyno map now so you can see what they look like in the way of power. Usually around the 150 kilowatts and around the 450 newton meters of torque, depending on obviously wheels, auto manual and other mods. So if you're interested in one of these, give us a yell, 5491 4626. We have them in stock. You can do it yourself if you like. They're not fun to do. Otherwise we can fit them here for you on the hoist. Cheers.